Good morning. This is a R1200 GSA that's just been through a puddle. It was about knee deep, which is about 2 feet. And although the air filter is quite high up on these, the actual breather tube to supply the air filter is much lower, not much higher than the actual cylinders. I understand that you can get snorkels for these to bring the air up somewhat. So we've just taken out the spark plugs. We've got a fair amount of water out of the right hand cylinder, much less water out of the left hand cylinder. We've taken the oil out of the sump. We got about probably about a pint straight out the bottom of the sump, followed by clean oil, non-emulsified oil. And we're now at the stage we've taken out the spark plugs. We've got the air filter off. We're just about to take the oil filter off because we imagine there's probably more oil, more air, more water in the oil filter. And we're just checking to find out what oils we've got before we stick something back in, turn it over to try and get the water out of the bores, and then try starting it up. So this is where we're at the moment. We have no oil filter removal tool, which seems to be some sort of cut device. So we're actually having to make one. So that's what we're doing now. We're just using a piece of pipe of approximately the correct diameter, and making some adjustments to make it work.
Screen got it. Quality as well. Rolling out on 109 amps, it doesn't really like it much. Not catching it myself. You still filming?
Filming away, yeah.
That's not very tight. Some 11 Newton meters.
Any water or just oil?
Just oil.
So we can stick it straight back on?
Yeah, I think so. Got it.
And not really much oil loss.
No, it's obviously because the pump's right there, isn't it? I think to get it going, we want to do a service on it fairly shortly anyway.
A service?
Yeah, all service.
Yeah. We've just fired it over once and got an enormous amount of water out of the left-hand cylinder. This is the second attempt. What's that for?
It's like WD-40. Well, not there, take the balls a bit then. Amazing like water was still in there, to be honest, that first scrape.
Yeah.